I want to complete one more short step before we move on to actually learning how to program with Scratch, and that is creating an account with Scratch. If you already have an account with Scratch, you can move on to the next video after you follow the link above this video and submit your username to the class so that I can track your work and can help you with your work. But if you don't yet have an account with Scratch, here's why it's important and why I think it's beneficial to have an account with Scratch. Once you have because Scratch is programmed online, everything you create with Scratch can be saved in an account and then is retrievable no matter what machine you're at. No matter where I'm at, I can sign in as my username, so I'm UNI Scratch, and I can log in to my account. And now all the work I've ever done is stored here. And so here's some of the work that I've done over the years. I've got lots of projects here in my account, and it's all here ready for me to go. And that's really helpful because it doesn't matter what machine you're using in the classroom, your work is always saved and it's always there and ready for you to use. So I'm going to log out of this account and then come back in the way that you might as a new user of Scratch. So if you are a brand new user and you want to create an account, you can either do that from the main front page of Scratch. You can say join Scratch, or if you're still on the main creation page, you can click on join Scratch, and then it'll ask you to select a username, right? Don't use your real name, it says. Good thing for us to tell our students. Don't give away your real name. You saw that I use UNI Scratch. I'm going to create a fake Schaefer temp account here, and so that's not been used by a user as their real name, so I'm going to make that as my Scratch name, and I give it a password so I can create a password here and say next, and now it asks for some information about who I am. So I would have to tell it when I'm born. I'm not actually going to give you my real birthday. If your students are creating these accounts and they put in, say they were born in 2005 or whatever, and they say this, then on the next screen they'll be asked to confirm this with their parents' email address. You yourself, probably when you created that thing and you put in your birth date, you're adults, so you probably just are putting in your email address here, and so you just get this. And this is just so Scratch will send you an email and you confirm that in fact you're attempting to create an account, that you're not somehow spamming them with thousands of new accounts. And I'm not even going to click next here because I don't want to create this fake account. But if you do that, you'll get the final submission. You'll confirm in the email that account is legit, and now you should be ready to go. Again, you should be able to then sign in. So I'm going to sign in again as UNI Scratch, and now here I'm ready to go. I'm all signed in. I'm going to fill out the Google form at the top of this page to register that username with the course with me so that I can help you with some of your materials. And you're now ready to move on to the next video where we start learning how to program in Scratch.